Hello everyone. So in this video or in this topic, we will be showing you how to use the circular pattern feature in SOLIDWORKS. But first, what is circular pattern? If we say circular pattern, it is a feature that it enables the users to create multiple instances of a feature around an axis. It is very helpful to save time and effort in designing symmetrical objects. So this feature, it is particularly useful for creating a repetitive patterns in circular arrangement. So let's say we have this object and we want to recreate this object using the circular pattern feature. As you can see here, this is the feature or an object that we replicate and then we rotate it using the circular pattern. So this is the object that we will be using to show how to use the circular pattern and also to show you how to recreate the object that I have shown earlier. So the very first thing to do is you go to features and then here in linear pattern, click this and circular pattern. In the left side, you can see there's direction 1 and then bodies. So first, let's click this direction 1. And direction 1, this means we have to select an axis where we want this object to be rotated. Let's click here. Let's say here. Then click bodies. This bodies means we will be selecting the object, what part of the object we want to be duplicated. So let's say this 15. This here, it means how many replications you want. So let's say 15 since we want to replicate the object I have shown earlier, then check. So that's how you use a circular pattern feature in SOLIDWORKS.